Dr. Zeisel, congratulations on winning the Leveille Award. Your outstanding research on choline and its role as an essential nutrient for human health have shaped nutrition and food sciences. The combination of basic and clinical research that you have led has inspired many researchers, myself included. Your foundational work for precision nutrition, not only for choline but also for other nutrients, has also helped to forge a new path for the future of nutrition research. What is more is your dedication and commitment to your research team and all who have had the pleasure of working with you over the years. I am incredibly honored to be part of your team, and congratulations again.
Congratulations, Steve, on receiving the Leveille Award for Outstanding Nutrition Research Contributions. You certainly have had a wonderful and inspiring research career, which shined a great bright light on our understanding of one-carbon metabolism and the importance of choline as a nutrient. I enjoyed my time with you on the DRI committee, which established an adequate intake level for choline, and that, of course, is mostly, almost solely because of your work. Thanks a lot for all you've done, and congratulations again.
Hi, Steve. Congratulations. It's Johanna. I wanted to say congratulations to Mr. Choline, and also to the only person I know who has collected bonsai all over the world, and to a guy who has one of the most wonderful wives in the world. Congratulations, and it's so good to have you with us. Bye.
Hello, I'm Stephen Hursting, Professor of Nutrition at UNC Chapel Hill and Director of the UNC Nutrition Research Institute. I first met Steve Zeisel as a first-year doctoral student at UNC in 1989. He was my department chair and was also on my dissertation committee. For more than 3 decades, he's inspired countless students and colleagues, including me, through his rigorous work on choline and precision nutrition, his leadership in the department, as well as for the past 14 years as the Nutrition Research Institute Director, and his general encouragement to keep asking good questions. Thank you so much, Steve, for all you've done for me.
Hello, Steve. Stuart Craig here. Congratulations on delivering the 2021 Gilbert A Award Lecture. I appreciate having worked with you over the past 25 years on betaine, personalized nutrition, and as an invaluable member of our scientific advisory board. I also worked with Gil Leveille in Nabisco's fundamental science team over 30 years ago, and so I'm very happy to help you celebrate this honor in recognition of your outstanding contributions in nutrition and health.
Hi, Steve. I am so thrilled to hear about this award. You deserve it. You've been an amazing pioneer in the field of nutrition, and it's been wonderful to know you both as a leader of the department, but also as a colleague and friend. Congrats and enjoy.